Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Spacedesk with the USB cable, which is the best way to get a lag-free second monitor for your PC without needing a fast Wi-Fi connection. Using a wired connection provides much better stability and almost zero delay, making it perfect for productivity or watching videos on your tablet or phone. To set this up, you first need to have Spacedesk driver installed on your Windows PC and the Spacedesk Viewer app installed on your Android or iOS device. Before connecting your cable, you should open the Spacedesk driver console on your computer and navigate to the Communication Interface tab to make sure the box for USB cable Android is checked. Once that is enabled, you can connect your mobile device to your PC using a high-quality USB data cable. On an Android device, you may need to enter your phone settings and search for USB tethering to toggle it on, which creates a direct network link between the two machines. For iOS users, you should turn off your Wi-Fi and enable the personal hotspot settings while selecting the option for USB only to establish the connection. Once the tethering is active, you can now open the Spacedesk Viewer app on your mobile device and you should see your PC listed as a connection option. You simply tap on the connection on your Windows desktop will instantly extend into your mobile screen. If the app does not detect your computer immediately, you should check your USB settings on the phone and ensure the mode is set to file transfer or PTP instead of just charging. You should also keep in mind that using the USB connection will disable other USB functions like moving files until you turn the Spacedesk USB settings off again.